Welcome to Santa Clara's Woodsborough community. Hi, I'm Vinicius Brasil, the Santa Clara real estate guy. My group, the Brasil Group, specializes in Santa Clara homes and neighborhoods. Today, I want to show you a great community located here in 95051. Woodsborough is located in the heart of Santa Clara, right next to the amazing Santa Clara Central Park. Originally developed in 1971, Woodsborough is a large development by Santa Clara standards, encompassing about 478 units, consisting of 1, 2, 3-bedroom, single-level condos, and some 2-level townhomes. Homes range in size from around 440 square feet for a 1-bedroom to around 1,200 square feet for a 3-bedroom unit, with varying floor plans for 1 and 2-bedroom units as well as townhomes. The Woodsborough complex features park-like grounds with multiple ponds and green space. The complex features 3 pools, 2 clubhouses, and a playground area. Perhaps the best feature of the Woodsborough community is its location. Situated in the heart of Santa Clara, Woodsborough is walking distance to Santa Clara's amazing Central Park. It's also walking distance to one of Santa Clara's most sought-after elementary schools, Central Park Elementary, and very close to Santa Clara High School. Other conveniences include Santa Clara Library, the International Swim Center, the Community Center, as well as close access to the Mariposa Shopping Center, featuring a Safeway supermarket, and of course, Santa Clara's own Stan's Donuts. Thanks for joining me on this tour of Santa Clara's Woodsborough community. For more information about Woodsborough, visit our Woodsborough page on our website. The link is provided down below. If you live in Woodsborough and want to be added to our monthly Woodsborough market update with the latest real estate activity and sales, you can send me an email or sign up down below. If you have any questions about Woodsborough or any Santa Clara neighborhood, feel free to contact me. I'm always happy to help you. Until next time, this is Vinicius Brasil with the Brasil Group and Keller Williams.